and he was a staunch Zionist. And so there was a point when he was in New York in the 20s where he met Jabotinsky. Jabotinsky and he hatched this plan that Breitbart was going to go back to Palestine to recreate the famous feats of strength of Samson, to gain worldwide attention so that Jews could become strong. He was going to start a physical culture course to teach them how to become strong, and that he would be the general of this whole Jewish army that would oust the Turks from Palestine. This was his vision. Unfortunately, he went back to Europe, and in the town of Radam, he had a performance where he would take a huge railroad spike and in his bare hands break it in half, and then have 5 1-inch oak boards with sheet metal in between like a sandwich, and take what was left of the railroad spike and plow through all of it on his knee, and it got into his knee, and he developed blood poisoning, and he died from septicemia, the blood poisoning. Well, everybody knows what happened to Jabotinsky. He went on and did exactly what that they wanted to do, was to help overthrow first the Turks, then the British.